Most people over 50 are aging faster without realizing it. But there's a natural compound that may help slow it down. It's called Resveratrol. What is it? A natural compound found in certain plants that helps protect your cells from damage. Benefits. Resveratrol may support heart health and improve blood flow. It may also help protect brain function as you age. Some studies suggest it helps slow down cellular aging. It may improve energy levels and reduce inflammation. Where to find it? You can find resveratrol in food, like red grapes, berries and peanuts, reality and care. But here's the truth. You would need large amounts to get significant effects. But with good habits, great benefits can be achieved. That's why some people turn to supplements. But you should always be careful. The key is not just one compound, but your daily habits. Don't ignore what your body is telling you. Follow me for more videos.